What's going on, people? Welcome back to a Jamaican Alpha Space. Remember to like, subscribe, share the video. All right. So remember, we said that we could add something to a phrase. In this case, we're asking a question. We're asking the cause of something. So what can we add to that to enhance it, right? And sound even more like a local, right? So for a woman, if it's a woman vendor, we use muma, translated to mother, right? Or you can use daddy for a man, translated to daddy in English as well. Or we use party. You know, you if you remember the Vibes Cartel and Popcorn song, you'll hear that kind of slang in it. So what you'd say is, much for that mama, or much for that party, or much for that chargy, right? So you see how you can merge those to kind of even enhance it more, to sound even more like the locals, right?